Today I'm going to show you how to set up and use multiple monitors on Windows 11. So ladies and gentlemen, the first part of your setup is physically taking your monitors and plugging the monitors into your power source, as well as plugging them into your computer. Now, once you have done that, you can right click on your desktop and look for display settings. And once you are in display settings, it'll open up in system settings. You can come down over here and it says multiple displays. Now, once you are in multiple displays, if it doesn't already identify multiple displays, you will now click over here that says detect other display. You can click on detect. It'll go through a process of trying to detect that display, and then also connect to a wireless display. If you are using a wireless display over here, you can also choose to remember the Windows location based on monitor connection, and then also minimize Windows when a monitor is disconnected. And here you'll be able to manage all of that.